Hi everybody, welcome to the show. Welcome back to our channel.
My name is Amanda.
And I'm Stefan, and we're the parents behind Raising A to Z. Okay, so today we're doing our first collab ever, and we're doing a collab with Stephanie from Raising All Boys. And we met Stephanie last year, and she's been really supportive of our channel, and she's a lifestyle blogger, a mom blogger. She does all sorts of hauls and organizational and cleaning videos, so you want to go check out her channel. And at the end of this video, we're going to leave a link to her video.
Yeah. Today we're sharing 5 activities that we've done with our kids in the past week to keep them entertained while we've been in quarantine. And at the end of our video, you can follow the link over to Stephanie's page where you can see some activities that she's done with her kids in this past week.
Yeah.
So we've done 5 activities. They're very inexpensive, mostly done with things that you probably have around your house anyway.
And they're things that you can do around the house or around your yard.
Yeah, and our kids loved every one of them. So, first thing that we did.
Chalk obstacle course.
Or as Stefan likes to call it.
The Chalkstacle course.
Yes. So, this was super easy. All we needed was some sidewalk chalk and some pavement.
Yeah, so we did an obstacle course in the driveway, and the girls had a blast. And we actually saw online that some people were doing it on like the sidewalk in front of their houses. We don't have a sidewalk here, but we did it on a little section of road that we cleaned off in front of the house. And we had fun watching people walk by and spot our Chalkstacle course and try it out. So that was kind of neat.
That was awesome. And the girls loved it. They loved racing. And then we got into things like timing it, which they thought was a hoot.
Yeah.
And we'd pull it up, and then we would also like announce it like it was a sporting event. And then it got really funny because Alexi started announcing it when she would make us race.
Yeah.
So it was great exercise. Everyone burned some energy, and they just had a blast doing it.
Yeah. And if you're not sure what to put in your chalk obstacle course, there's tons of ideas online. So you just do a little search for that.
Yeah.
See what comes up.
Things they really loved. They loved spinning.
Yeah.
Activities
Hopping.
Airplane. Any like airplane zigzags.
Yeah.
Running, and then jumping was just like, those were like the top things that they were like pumped to do on their obstacle course.
Yeah, Chalkstacle course.
Sure. Another thing that we did this week, the second thing, was we made some Pinecone bird feeders, which was super easy. Alexi has kind of been through a phase where whenever we go for a walk, she's been collecting pine cones.
We have a nice collection.
Coming home with armfuls of pine cones.
We have quite the collection to choose from.
Yeah, so we collected some of the bigger ones, and we tied a little string around them and coated them with some peanut butter, and then rolled it in like a birdseed mix, and then hung them outside on our tree. And the kids have enjoyed watching them in the windows. And
seeing the squirrels and the birds come and feed.
Has there any birds?
Yeah, this morning.
Oh, those birds. I haven't seen them. I've only seen the squirrel.
Yeah.
That was funny. The kids.
Zoe
was a little annoyed that the squirrel came and ate the bird feeder.
Yeah.
But it was entertaining because we got to watch it for a while. So, again, activity was fun, and then the results afterwards, when we got to watch it later, kept them entertained too.
Our next activity we have for you is a puzzle scavenger hunt. So you can do this inside or outside if you have the space. And just hide pieces of a puzzle all around, and then the kids find the puzzle pieces and put it together. So we did an alphabet puzzle that we have, and the girls had a blast looking for all the pieces and putting that together.
And scavenger hunts in general are always a hit with our kids. Like our alphabet scavenger hunt, which were pieces from like a foam mat.
Yeah.
We've hidden those around our yard. We've also hidden like magnets, and the kids love that. So
yeah, there's a video from a scavenger hunt we did last year in a park, but you could do the same thing around your house or around your backyard.
Yeah, and it's super easy, and it entertains them for so long, and they just love it, and they burn some energy. So the next thing that we did was we made some pop-up cards. Alexi loves to make cards to begin with. It's kind of been a thing. So we just made it a little more exciting by making pop-up cards. Cards are really easy to make. All you need is some construction paper or cardstock, markers, pencils, and in this case, a little bit of glue and some scissors. Yeah. And you're able to make some really cool cards. And then the bonus was we get to deliver them. Yeah. And we've been delivering them to the grandparents and the cousins that live nearby. It was fun to make it, and then to spread a little bit of love was even more exciting too. Yeah, there's different ways to make these cards. We looked it up online. There's a few different styles. So another search, quick search, and you'll see some really good ideas. Yeah, Alexi really likes the springs. You take strips of paper and fold them.
Yeah, there's also the ones where you
Accordion
cut in the center and then pop those out the other way, and then that kind of lifts things up. And then you can glue things inside the card and it folds out. So there's a few different.
Yeah, they thought that was absolutely amazing. And then it's nice because Alexi got to practice writing her name and doing a little bit of writing inside the card. So the last thing that we did this week, that was kind of a special quarantine activity. That was a big hit.
Yeah.
Were balloon powered Lego cars.
Yeah, that was fun. So we pulled out the Lego mat, and I spent time looking for my pieces. Alexi already had 3 cars put together.
Yeah, she's been building cars.
Much faster than I am.
She's very fast.
Yeah, so she had her car already, and her car beat mine out.
Her car was...
It was more interesting. It looked cooler, and it was faster, and it went in a straighter line, and it went further. It just beat mine all around.
Yeah, yours was such like a boring little like platform.
That's because I had a dinosaur that I was trying to put on top, but the dinosaur kept on falling off with the balloon. But
Alexi had a door and a window, and she had all these things, and we're like, there's no way hers is going to go faster. And then it did. It
it really
totally
did.
beat everyone. So
yeah, we'll put video up of the little mechanism to attach the balloon to the car. It's just what we figured out. We didn't even look online. I saw the idea online, but we didn't look exactly how people attach it. So again, go do a little search and you can probably find some better ideas for how to attach the balloon to your cars.
Those were 5 things that we did. Our kids loved it. It entertained them a lot over the past week. It gave them something to do every day. And if you're looking for more ideas, you can definitely follow the link that we have below. Go to Stephanie, and she has even more ideas.
Yeah, so check out her videos. We're going to post her video on the end card, right? I'm not even sure where we're going to post
somewhere.
it.
It's going to be here somewhere.
Wherever it fits. And make sure you go see Stephanie's video, and we'll see you next week.
Yeah, thanks for watching. If you like this video and other videos that we do here on Raising A to Z, please subscribe and click the bell to get notifications.
And make sure you follow us on Facebook and Instagram. And, if you ever have any questions about anything, message us. We'll message you back.
Thank you for watching. We'll see you guys next week.
Go check out Raising All Boys.
Bye.
Bye-bye.